Hi Dressing Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Axolotl from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute axolotl, let's first start by drawing a circle for the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and just draw a nice big circle. And then I'm going to imagine the other eyes kind of at a angle. So using this curve, I'm going to draw another curve right here. So I'm going to go right across and it's at an angle. So just keep that in mind. And say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a point and draw another curve. Draw a curve right about here. So it's like as if this is the bridge of the axolotl. Then the bridge of the nose area, and then we're going to come right here and just curve. So we want about the same size as that eye and connect. So it's a little bit different shape, right? So it's a little bit more ovalish. Then from there, I'm going to come right here on the top and draw a circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that I have these eyes in, I know it looks kind of weird right now, but it's all going to come together, I promise. Then from there, let's see here. Let's imagine, like we said, this is the center. And about right, let's see, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw two little nostrils. There, so hopefully that starts to make some sense. And then I'm going to come right back here, kind of where the eye is, and really close to the edge of this eye, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve coming down. So we're going to start to draw the mouth, and then this is going to go up. So imagine this curve is coming through, and we're just going to go up. So notice I'm just kind of sketching my lines right now to make sure my lines are correct. So before I kind of go back in, so we're all right here. I'm just going to draw a curve. And then let's come about right here and we're going to bring it in. So this is a salamander, so that's a smooth head. And we're going to come right about here and bring in a curve. There, so just a little bit more angular here and bring it in. So play around with it. I know it is a little bit more complicated, this shape. And let's see, bring it to about right here, bring it in. And we need to draw the gills, right? So let's go back and forth to just draw this head first. Right there. And before I forget, I'm just going to lightly draw a curve here and here. And then let's draw the gills. So, but if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve first. But I don't want to erase, so I'm going to stop about right there, kind of like the angle of the eye. I'm going to go ahead and start the first gill. So let's come about right here, and we're just going to flare it out. So let's draw a big curve coming out. Nice and round. And bring it right back in. And then we're just going to kind of cut it off. And then just skip a little bit of space. We're going to draw another one. And same thing. Let's go out. So there's a total of 3 that we're going to draw on this side and then bring it in. Oops, and then one more. So skip a little bit of space again, and we're just going to continue our curve coming around. And once again, another one. So we're just kind of also trying to make it go around as well. the shape. And connect for our last gill on this side. So just remember, try your best to just bring it around. So this one's a little bit shorter. Then from there, we're going to draw the inside. So just kind of following the outside of whatever I drew and bring it in. Kind of like drawing a rabbit's ear, right? And same thing. And one more. There. Okay, so then whatever space you have left, just come out and see about right here. Bring it together, and we're just going to connect everything. There. Okay, so then now, I guess the most important thing is this curve right here. Just kind of make it a little bit sharper, pointier, so it looks like the mouth area, and bring it in. Then from there, let's draw the other side. So let's say about right here. Let's go ahead, and we're going to draw same thing, but just shorter. So, because we don't see all this, so we're just going to draw the ends of it. So about right here, I'm going to bring it in. Up there, and then same thing. And one more. There. Okay, so then once again, same thing. We're going to draw the inside. There. Okay, so the hardest part is done. So then now let's go ahead. We're going to draw the cute little body, and I'll say about right here, kind of like the edge of this eye, about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down. So this is going to be the body, and then on this side towards the back, let's say about right here. Draw a little curve, and then imagine it coming out. We're going to stick a tail coming out. So let's say about right here. And round off the tip. And bring it down. So about right here, we're going to bring it in. Get a little bit of wobble. And continue. All the way back, right about there. And then before I finish this, I'm going to stop right here and draw a big curve right in front for the gumdrop feet, and just connect it. If you're using a pencil, just draw that whole shape in first. There. Okay, so now that we have that one foot in, let's draw the other foot, which is going to be in the back about right here. Do the same thing. And about the same size, so about right there. And connect. And one more, so about right here. And let's see, and then that is pretty much it, except I'm going to put a heart right here to make this my Just So Cute Axolotl from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. I know the shape right here, it's a little bit more complicated, but hopefully I've been able to help you today to draw this cute axolotl fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.